Hey guys, it's Itshlengy I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this beautiful one shoulder bodycon dress. If you're into fashion videos, then this channel is for you. Subscribe to my channel and let's get to the video. So this is the material that I'm going to use. It's a stretchy material. So now I'm going to measure it by using my top and my other dress that looks similar to the dress that I'm going to be making. Actually, it's not similar, it's the same dress. The only difference is that it's going to have one long arm. So I'm using my t-shirt as a guide because I don't have a pattern. I'm going to use it as a guide when making this dress. So I love this dress, this type of dress, because I have a pink one like this, as you can see in the video. So now I just want the one with maybe a long sleeve. So I'm done cutting out the dress is going to look like this. So I'm going to sew all the way from there, all the way from the bottom. I'm going to sew both parts, but I'm not going to show you guys because it's going to be long. So I'm done sewing my dress. Now I want to cut out the one arm. The arm. So this, I'm going to be using my top. So I'm done cutting out the arm. I'm going to sew it now. I'm not going to show you guys because the process is long and I'm not using a sewing machine. So I'm done now. I've just sewed both the dress and the arm together, and I'm going to insert this long strap because it's a ruched dress. I'm going to insert it inside my dress. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys that process because my battery died. So now I'm almost done with the dress and it is done less than 3 minutes. This is very easy dress to make. Find yourself a nice stretchy material and try to do it. Please rate my dress. If you're into fashion videos, this channel is for you guys. Make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.